thumbnail? No. Okay.
This
Thumbnail.
is the thumbnail.
Okay.
This is the thumbnail.
Oh, baby.
gosh.
Shake it, shake it.
Whoa.
Oh.
Okay.
I
Don't
need
use that,
lessons.
maybe.
Are we ready
Okay. Yeah. So okay, what flavor is this?
Chocolate, salted, and swirled.
Oh my god.
This is exclusive to Target. They released it secretly without telling anyone.
I've never had this flavor. I'm gonna try
Okay.
it.
Dig on.
Oh, it's like.
Ooh.
Oh my.
Oh, baby.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Give me a close up.
Oh, honey.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that cheese pull.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
The sniff test. Okay, let me try this.
Oh man.
I tried it. It's good.
The cameraman has to try it too.
Oh my god.
It reminds me of the Haagen-Dazs chocolate one, whatever that
Yeah, it
one is.
doesn't taste like chocolate, like
Oh my
The
god.
chocolate ice cream, it tastes like chocolate.
like truffly.
That's so good.
How you need to stop because I've eaten healthy all day and I don't want to ruin it.
I haven't.
Please take this away from me.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Bye.